तो चलिए पहले कपड़े and my white coat goes like this. My white coat and the day was so hectic, but I have done all the things perfectly. Like in the morning when I and for tomorrow I have choose this one to wear with this sock. Here it starts and there we go. Here you can put your sleepers, and this is the kitchen area where I charge and put my bottles. These are my buckets, and this is my roommate's study area, and this is the plant which I have planted 2 years back. This is the bed area, and that's the okay. And this is all about this room. Like you in double seats, and like there you can see that's my study area. These are the sticky notes which I have made in my second year itself, and from there you can see this is my white coat, and these are the formulas which that's the cupboard where I keep some of my, that's my dictionary, my Dadaji's dictionary, and this is the here you can see these are the pharmacology formulas or pharmacology drugs name. And I am coming back to the hostel after playing badminton, so there's a lot of sweat on my face.
You wanna know what's beginning of love?
Like it's forensic medicine, this one is preventive, and that's the notes. And this is my Kindle, and this is my iPad. And the view from room is so surreal, like the whole college. You can see they are playing badminton. And this is our college. And this is my room. And this is my room. And this plant I have planted 2 years back, and now it's so huge. Here you can see, Hannah. I like that plant so much. This is my cupboard. There's a whole lot of perfumes and all the things. Like you can see, let's go like that. From here, you can see there are certain books on my bed. Like it's keynotes which I have made in my second year itself, and this is my study place. Yeah, you can see. So this is all about my room. These are the formula. These are the drug of choice which I have posted on my wall. This side, when I start from this side, there we go, like you can see. Okay, it's my Godrej. And let me show you our college. This is the view from in like in 7,000 rupees you can buy, if but you wouldn't need to buy a new wardrobe, because they here they provide you the cupboard, so you don't need to buy this one. Okay, so this is all about use it. Now let me show you my cupboard, and there's the cupboard. So what you get in my cupboard is mostly fruits and nuts, and there's so I hope you like this video, and so do like, subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting, because this support helps me to make more videos for you people. And area where I to make this where place, I do boil my milk and put my water bottles. Here you can see.